I have this box left over from a present I got. I wanted to turn it into a folding table. A table that I could store and could be portable. I have these craft sticks that should be long enough to make legs for it. I taped the craft sticks together right at the center point where they will be long enough to support the table and still be able to fit in the box when the table's not in use. I glued them together and clamped them with my alligator clamps until the glue dried. Once the glue dried, I started working on where the legs will sit in the box. And I came up with this idea of the jumbo craft sticks. And then the legs just fit right in between the jumbo craft sticks and the lid of the box. Then when the legs are not in use, they fit inside the box. I covered the box with the aluminum tape. You could get this, it's usually used for air conditioning and heating ducts. And it's really cool stuff because it's sticky and it's metal. And it gives me the metal look that I'm going for. After sticking it on the box, or covering the box all sides, the table was coming together. Now with the table complete, it is nice to have a small collapsible table. I'm still kind of on the fence whether I should paint the legs or just leave them wood color. I think maybe the legs would look better painted black. They fit in here on top of each other, and then the lid goes on. And then I made a little handle out of some tape so it could be carried. Well, let me know what you think. Do you think I should paint the legs or just leave them wood color? I'm kind of leaning towards maybe painting them. Well, thanks for watching. That's all I have for you today. Don't forget to click that like button. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps my channel out. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.